Waqar Yunus best bowling in Test cricket. In the 1990, New Zealand toured Pakistan for a three-match series. The third Test match, played at Faisalabad, became a historic encounter thanks to Waqar Yunus' extraordinary performance with the ball. This match remains etched in cricket history as one of the finest display of fast bowling. In the New Zealand first inning, Waqar Yunus delivered a career-best spell of 7 for 76. His devastating pace and ability to reverse swing the ball proved too much for the New Zealand batsman. He dismissed Trevor Franklin, Mark Greatbatch, Ken Rutherford, Deepak Patel, Danny Morrison, Grant Bradburn and Willie Waston, breaking the backbone of their batting lineup. Waqar Yunus' mastery of reverse swing combined with his toe-crushing Yorkers left the opposition helpless. It was a young Waqar Yunus at his lethal best, showcasing the brilliance that would define his career. Let's watch his spell.
I'm sure if we would have given a rest earlier and would have brought back later on, York, very fine Yorker. Just when we were saying that they had dealt with Waqar Yunus, it just proves everyone, Greatbatch Franklin can't believe it. But the whole Waqar Yunus 25. But there is singing Yorker, naturally he's a fine bowler. He's got every abilities and definitely he has done that in previous occasions. And he has done this time as well. This ball, that's the replay, around middle stump, giving no chance to the batsman. There it is again, and that is an absolutely blue-blooded Yorker. Couldn't ask for a better one. It hit the base of the middle stump, uprooted it, and Franklin just shook his head in disbelief at forward short leg. Tawseef at square leg and Salim at fine leg. That was why the onside was strengthened. Greatbatch didn't know where the ball went. That should be out, yes, caught behind. Waqar Yunus strikes again, and Greatbatch is on his way. Both Salim Yusuf and New Zealand are 37 for 2. While two short of line ball and then pitching one up to the batsman, the ideal way of bowling. Two balls shorter and this ball up to the batsman. And he just played on his drink in Rutherford. 603 runs in Test cricket at 18.27. $37 for 2 New Zealand. What a fine effort by Waqar Yunus. He's now coming in to bowl to Rutherford. Comprehensively castled, completely beaten. Rutherford didn't have a clue about that one. Clean bowl, 37 for 3, and Waqar Yunus now on a hat-trick. Wow, that was a beauty. That was singing in to the batsman Yorker. And Rutherford didn't know anything about it. Completely beaten there, as well as with the pace. Here's the replay. Swinging in, Yorker. Can't be a better ball than this one. That was definitely a beauty. You can see the swing of the ball very late with the pace and making a gap between bat and pad. So he beaten him in the air as well as off the wicket. So a fine always plays an important role, you can say, runs in Test cricket, 15.3 average, 11th Test match for him of the wicket. And there's the attacking field. There's a forward short leg, there's a very short mid-wicket, there's a cylinder, 3 slips and a gully. And there's a fine leg, just round the corner. I think these are the shadows which are causing some problems. That is why you see the players squatted. Well, batsmen have got the right to object that. All in catching position. Waqar Yunus on a hat-trick, bowling to Patel. It's disallowed by the umpire. Disappointment for Waqar Yunus and colleagues. Patel survives and New Zealand are 37 for 3. That ball definitely direct to his toes, and he did not make any strokes. Probably he might be slightly outside the off stump, so जोरदार अपील गेंद इनसे लेफ्ट करने जाए और ये चौथी कामयाबी वकार यूनुस को, चौथी कामयाबी पाकिस्तान को। बहुत अच्छा स्टाइल वकार यूनुस का, तबाकुन बॉलिंग वकार यूनुस की। कोई भी बैट्समैन सही तौर पर वकार यूनुस को खेलने से कासिर, और यही वजह है कि 4 खिलाड़ियों को वकार यूनुस ने यके बाद दीगर आउट के वक्त वकार यूनुस मुकम्मल तौर पर न्यूजीलैंड के बैट्समैनों पर हावी। पाटेल जो कतई तौर पर वकार यूनुस को समझ नहीं पा रहे थे इस गेम को लेफ्ट करते हुए, अच्छे इन स्विंग नसीम। गेम तकरीबन ऑफ साइड या ऑफ स्टंप पर काफी अंदर आए और कोई स्ट्रोक उन्होंने नहीं खेला और अपनी जगह खड़े थे। इस लिहाज से LBW बहुत चीज देखी होगी आपने कि इनके न्यूजीलैंड के बैट्समैन कतई जोरदार अपील पर जानकर अंपायर का इशारा, आउट गेंद ऑफ स्टंप पे पड़ने के बाद थोड़ी सी आउट स्विंग बैट के बराबर के हिस्से को छूती हुई सलीम यूसुफ के पास। उन्होंने कोई गलती नहीं की। इस तरह छठी कामयाबी वकार यूनुस को और नवी कामयाबी पाकिस्तान को। मजमूई तौर पर बहुत अच्छी कारकर्दगी वकार यूनुस की सीरीज के अंदर। फ्रेड बर्न जिनका तीसरा टेस्ट मैच था, वकार यूनुस की एक आउट स्विंग को सही तौर पर समझ नहीं पाया। इस तरह 9वां विकेट, मजमू स्कोर 207, 9 खिलाड़ियों को नुकसान को। दूसरा कैच सलीम यूसुफ का, रिप्ले नसीम। बहुत ही अच्छी बॉल पढ़ के ऑफ स्टंप पिच हुई थी, थोड़ी सी मूव हुई और आउट एज लेके और सीधा कैच। एक नया रिकॉर्ड कायम किया, जिस तरह मैंने पहले आपसे अर्ज किया था मोअज़्ज़िज़ नाज़रीन। इस साबका रिकॉर्ड 1969-70 में परवेज सज्जाद ने न्यूजीलैंड के खिलाफ मजमूई तौर पर 22 विकेटें हासिल की थी, और आज इकबाल स्टेडियम फैसलाबाद में वकार यूनुस ने 23वें विकेट हासिल करके परवेज सज्जाद का साथ। बहुत जोरदार अपीलिंग स्विंग और अंपायर अफजदी का इशारा, आउट। इस तरह 7वीं कामयाबी वकार यूनुस को और बहुत अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस वकार यूनुस की पाकिस्तान के लिए, और 7 खिलाड़ियों को उन्होंने आउट किया। इस तरह न्यूजीलैंड अपनी पहली इनिंग में 217 रन बनाकर आउट हुआ।
New Zealand won the toss and elected to field first. Pakistan batting crumbled in their first innings, managing only 102 runs, as Chris Pringle dominated with figure of 7 for 52. In response, New Zealand scored 217, taking a significant lead of 115 runs. However, in the second innings, Pakistan made a strong comeback, scoring 357, with crucial contribution from their batsman. New Zealand was set a target of 243 runs to win, but faltered under pressure. Waqar Yunus once again wreaked havoc with the ball, taking 5 for 54 in the New Zealand's second innings. Pakistan bowled them out for 177, sealing a memorable victory by 65 runs. Waqar Yunus' match figure of 12 for 130 were the best of his Test career. His performance was instrumental in Pakistan's clean sweep of the series, winning it 3-0. For his brilliance, Waqar Yunus was named the player of the match and shared the player of the series award with Martin Crowe and Shoaib Mohammad. Waqar Yunus is regarded as one of the greatest fast bowlers in cricket history. His bowling style combined extreme pace, accuracy, and unparalleled mastery of reverse swing. He was particularly famous for his deadly Yorkers, which were both fast and accurate, often resulting in bowled or LBW dismissals. What set Waqar apart was his ability to exploit reverse swing at high speeds, especially with the old ball. His aggressive approach and attacking mindset made him one of the most feared bowlers of his era. His bowling not only earned him countless wickets but also inspired a generations of fast bowlers to follow in his footsteps. This series was a turning point in Waqar Younis' career, marking the emergence of a young fast bowler who would go on to dominate international cricket for years. His outstanding performance against New Zealand at Faisalabad, particularly his career best figure of 7 for 76 and match figure of 12 for 130, remain iconic moment in cricket history. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.